well, here we are and let's go. And that I've been thinking over time of using AI, that you really do need to tell AI, whatever artificial intelligence you use, who you are. Because if they don't know who you are, then you will get generic answers to your questions. So they don't know how you think. And it's almost like that rubbish in, rubbish out stuff, and can be described in this way as generic in, like you might ask a question, even if it isn't a project, and you'll get genetic out. But once you've briefed it, it can affect the conversation effectively for you. Now, you may need to know or not. I asked my AI system about this and got a wonderful set of things that some of them I hadn't thought about. So let's just work the way through it. And the one that I really liked was that you need to think that your AI system is like having a new contractor. On day one, they don't know anything about your business. You need to brief them, and you probably need to continue briefing them. So they need to know who you are, what you do, what matters, what you want to avoid. Those are the things that we need to tell AI about. So the first thing to do is to write your introduction. So, and I've just realized I haven't done this in Claude. I'd done it in ChatGPT, but I'd not got round to it here, which is what made me think about this. So the idea is they need to know who you are, and you need to write it out in a Word document first. Don't trust typing it straight into AI. And AI's given me a prompt at what it would like to know about me. So I will share this document with you so you can see that prompt. But basically, you've got to tell them your name, what sort of business you run, who it is you want to help, even where you are. Now, some people want to have a different tone than maybe what I would have, but my tone is more likely to be warm and direct. So to do this in Claude, and I'm going to share my screen and show you what I do. So I've just got to move you out of the way, and I've got to go to share. And I'm going to share. Oh, I shouldn't be sharing you that desktop. I'll just go to Messenger here and then get into it. Look at that wonderful mess. Here's Claude. And we're going to go back over down here to settings. And now I need to find my notes as well, because I've got rid of my notes by doing this. Right, now I'm on the gas. So the idea is you go to settings, and here is settings. Turn that off. And this is all of the stuff that you need to put in. So the only thing I'd actually got to was putting in my name. So that was a good start. And I'd like to be called Helen. We get to the bit that says what best describes your work. So I don't manage products. So I've decided here to put other, because if I tell AI that I'm marketing or sales, definitely not data science, then that's the way it will think, and I don't want it to think like that. So I'm definitely going to be an other. And then I would be popping in here my instructions. Now, the introduction I haven't done yet because I want to think about it a bit more seriously, but I do happen to have a little list of what you need to upload into here. So it includes your name and what you do, who you serve, your tone and values, where you are, and what you are now working on. So with those few words, I think we can turn off the share screen. She says, I wonder where you do that. No, I go here, stop share and get back. And I like that thought that treat AI like it's a brilliant assistant who's just started today, and it will do excellent work, but only once you tell it who you are and what you need. So with that, I will stop the share, and I will send to you in the newsletter, which I will get out on time this coming week, this little list, because it's actually quite useful, I think. So did I stop the share, stop the recording? No, actually, it's cancelled. I'm going to try pausing the recording because what